Today, I'm making a lamb burger. It's summertime, it's time to fire up the grill, and you know what? I want something a little bit extra special. More special than my regular hamburger or cheeseburger, so I've got a goat cheese stuffed lamb burger. It's delicious with the spices of cumin, mint, oregano, and dill, all mixed in so that way that burger has lots of flavor and there's a surprise of goat cheese inside. And this recipe is really special to me, it's dear to my heart. Why? Because it actually made it to the AllRecipes June-July 2022 magazine. That's right, my recipe is here in AllRecipes. That's me. Take a bite of life. And once you try this lamb burger, you'll definitely understand why you need a bite of this life. Let me show you. There is my bestie, there's my doggy, and then there's my mommy. All the most special people in my life are right there to share this moment with me. So I'm so excited to share this with you, and let's get cooking. Chop up some fresh mint and dill. It's gonna bring a bright, herbaceous flavor to your lamb burgers. Just take this extra step to make things extra special. Some garlic to my ground lamb, 1 pound. Then I'm gonna do salt, cumin, smoked paprika, cinnamon, and cayenne pepper. Of course, my fresh mint and dill get thrown in as well. Make sure you get all that wonderful flavor mixed right in. Now the key here is that we don't want to overmix just until all the spices and herbs are combined. In here. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I have my nice seasoned ground lamb. Gonna divide that into 4. Once you've divided your pound of lamb that's been seasoned generously with all those wonderful herbs, you can make flat patties out of the 4 sections. With each section, take a generous pinch of your goat cheese and gently fold over the edges of the patty over the goat cheese until the goat cheese is completely covered and is stuffed in the middle. Now, you may have a little bit of goat cheese that oozes out while it's cooking, and that's fine. It won't make a mess because goat cheese really isn't a melty cheese. It's a nice, delicious cheese that is creamy in flavor and great for all this wonderful patty has to offer. and just continue with the other 3 patties. I like to set up my grill for both direct and indirect forms of cooking. What that means is that I have my coals to one side, and on another side of the grill, I don't have any coals. So the direct form of cooking is directly over the coals, and the indirect form of cooking is where there are no coals. And this allows me to be able to move the patties around to get different forms and different temperatures on each patty. So if there are patties that are cooking too fast, I can move them away from the coals for indirect heat. And if they're not browning fast enough, I can move them directly over the coals so that way they're getting that direct heat, and some of that fat that drips out will hit the coals and cause a flare up for that fire-kissed flavor that you can only get from the grill. Be careful checking your patties and make sure you don't press down on the patties to flatten them, to make them cook faster. What you want is to make sure that that goat cheese in the center is also staying intact but heating up slowly. You want to make sure that your lamb is cooked through and through. Make sure you toast your brioche buns. Toast them on the grill over indirect heat. You've already got the grill going. It'll give your lamb burger so much extra wonderful flavor. You can see that some of the goat cheese has burst through, and that just makes me so excited because I know that that extra special surprise is ready, it's warm, it's got this nice tang of flavor that's ready for me. To assemble your burger, start by slathering on some roasted garlic aioli on your toasted buns. Then you'll want to top your bottom bun with some peppery arugula. Gives it a nice little kick. Layer that with your goat cheese stuffed lamb burger and a little bit of raw red onion. Now, the AllRecipes magazine says that you can top that with some pickled red onion for another little tang and another added flavor. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. All right, I'm ready to take my bite. Make sure, that's the only way, you know, you can make sure that it's delicious. It's very delicious. Do you see that goat cheese oozing out of the center? That's what's gonna make you keep coming back for more. I can taste all the wonderful flavors in there. So believe me, if you have time, fire up the grill. That gives some charred smokiness that's out of this world. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more lovely recipes, more lovely dishes just like this. You never know where I'll show up. Yep. I'm gonna get this again. Yep. That's it.